a July morning, bells begin to ring. From river ports to royal squares, you feel the day take wing. History wakes softly in the city's gentle light, where promises were spoken and hope first learned to write. Voices rise from different shores, yet they're knocking at the same old doors. Under the Belgian sky, the colors learn to dance. Black, yellow, red, and quiet flame, a shared inheritance. From every heart that dares to dream, a single word is born. Freedom standing in the rain, like a flag against the storm. In cobbled streets, the stories cross in French and Dutch and song. Each language is a fragile bridge that time has kept so strong. From Ardennes trees to northern seas, the echo finds its way, where strangers turn to neighbors on this national holiday. Hands that once were worlds apart now are drawing the same map of the heart. Under the Belgian sky, the colors learn to dance. Black, yellow, red, and quiet flame, a shared inheritance. From every heart that dares to dream, a single word is born. Freedom standing in the rain, like a flag against the storm. And when the evening air is filled with lights that paint the dark, we hear the distant choir of years inside the city's heart. No crown, no stone, no borderline can tell us who we are. We write our future calmly, like a verse beneath a star. Under the Belgian sky, we raise our eyes again to all the silent courage and forgotten humble hands. From every step that chooses peace, a brighter dawn is born. Belgium breathing into night, like a promise after storm. On this July day, we remember and renew the quiet art of living free. Together, me and you.